Hi Taurus, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 7th of March. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly begin. I see you have the 9 of Swords, the 4 of Cups and the 8 of Wands. Your person has the 9 of Wands, the 5 of Swords and the 7 of Cups. Bottom of the deck we have the Knight of Wands. So somebody wanted to rush in and they wanted to have a very passionate encounter with you, but that's not a very positive card because this person will not stay. Okay, that's the energy that they are in. Now what I see here for you Taurus is you are currently in the 9 of Swords energy. With that there is a lot of sorrow, a lot of guilt. Okay, you're having sleepless nights because when this cup of love was offered to you, you didn't take it. You were quite bored, you turned yourself away, you turned in, and now you feel that you made the wrong decision, and now you want to have that communication with the other person and let them know that you went ahead and you reacted maybe really fast, you didn't think about this, and you want to talk to them and tell them that you're sorry on how you behaved, and you want to go ahead and maybe have this relationship with them. Okay, so that's what I see. So there's some communication that will happen. Your person is currently also in the 9 of Wands energy, wherein they are also exhausted. They felt that they put in a lot of effort and they were the only ones who put in effort, and that has also caused a lot of sorrow to them because with the 5 of Swords they felt that they were compared to people. Okay, and that could have been because you had options and you didn't take this particular person's cup of love. Okay, so this person is a little heartbroken currently. They don't like the fact that they put in effort towards somebody who didn't value their time and the emotions. Now let's take one card here to understand what is the intention of this person for you this week. Let's take one card here. The intention I see here is the Sun card. Now that's a very positive card. The Sun card is when all the things which were not told, okay, all the facts that you didn't know, all that comes out in the open, and then you move forward and you want to go ahead and have a very bright future with the Sun energy. It's a very bright future because if you see, you have the sunflower, okay, and you have this child with this horse. So everybody just comes out when it's daytime, right? There's nothing that is hidden, so that's a very positive sign here. Let's take one more card. This person will also have the 3 of Wands energy. So before they go ahead and have this Sun energy, okay, they will be stuck for some time because they are waiting for the ships to come in. Okay, traditionally that's what this card means, that they are waiting for something to happen, and there could have been people around them, but they are very sure on which particular wand they want to go ahead and take. So they're holding on to that one particular wand. Okay, so don't be scared. They know what they want in their life. Okay, it's just a matter of timing, so just be a little patient. Alright, now if you see over here, this person is currently also in the Hanged Man energy, where yes, they are stuck. They are maybe thinking about something. They are trying to think the pros and cons of the situation and think how they want to communicate that to you. So currently maybe they're just not moving. Okay, they're just hanging there and just trying to think how to go ahead and work things out. Now let's take one card here, which is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you. Now the crystal that I see for you is the Molderweed. The crystal message is, are you able to think beyond the ordinary? Is your heart open to love and inner peace? Awaken your consciousness and decide you want to see things from the greater perspective. Increased self-knowledge naturally allows for healing your heart, your relationship with others, and the relationship you have with yourself. You have unlimited potential. The message here is from Archangel Raphael, which I'll put in the description box. You can read it from there. Now that's all I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until next time, please stay safe and love yourself first.